Hi guys, let me show you how to make this easy and fun card for Mother's Day. The supplies you need are 2 colored sheets of paper, scissors, something to draw a circle, a glue stick, a pencil, and a black marker. Begin by folding the paper in fourths. Next, fold the paper diagonally from the center of the paper. Draw a semicircle and cut it out. Next, draw a circle and cut it out. Then glue it to the center of the flower. The last step is to write your message inside and on the outside of the card. And this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope your mom loves this card, and thank you for watching.